Imagine yourself in this 2008 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. Power and reliability are a great combination. Find both here. The manual transmission gives you more control and a better driving experience. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.